it going, my friends? Welcome to NFT Revolution. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're discussing Inuland. Yeah, this is a very interesting project for sure. I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of the social media. 12,000 followers here on Twitter, and you can see some of their engagement here with some really recent tweets, some stuff that's going on with giveaways, that kind of thing. So they're really trying to get themselves out there on Twitter pretty well, which is cool. We've got a Telegram with 10,000 plus members, which has a pretty active chat at the moment. This is their Medium, and of course all of these links you can find on their website pretty easily, and I will show you when we go over that. So you can see here they haven't posted on it in a couple of days, but they seem to be posting when they need to post big updates, which is completely okay to use a medium like that. I think that's the way that a lot of projects should. And then we have the Discord, the official Inuland Discord. So this Discord gives you a lot of what you would want to know in terms of facts, in terms of what's going on. So it tells you the whitelist opens 1st January. Whitelist first price is 0.05 Ethereum. Second whitelist 0.06. Pre-sale date 15th through 16th January. Public sale date 16th January. Public sale price is 0.1 Ethereum. So if you get in early before the public sale price, you're already making yourself pretty much double the profit, right? So that's pretty interesting to know. And of course, there is the potential for it to only go up from there, right? Absolutely not financial advice, just my opinion on this sort of thing, but I think we can see how track records work in that regard. So you can check here if you'd like to check out any sneak peeks, giveaways, announcements, whatever's going on with the project. Definitely check out the Discord for more. And this is the light paper, not the white paper, the light paper, which we will go into in just a little bit. So we can see here on their website, they've got this fun animation right at the intro, just showing some Inus. Looks like they are fighting a monster. What is Inuland? The gateway to a new world inhabited. Inus are the metaverse avatars on the blockchain to represent yourself. Inhabited Inus live on the Ethereum blockchain. Every limited NFT has been uniquely designed and generated from more than 170 plus traits across 9 categories, made into 10,000 remarkable NFT. Play and create in the ecosystem with a one-of-a-kind ready avatar. A small percentage are rarer and much harder to find than others. 10 super rare Easter eggs will be hidden inside our NFTs. Each inhabited species is 100% unique, the gateway to a new world. Inhabited Inus are the metaverse avatars on the blockchain to represent yourself. And let's see here, so we can see a little bit about that. Oh, and by the way, just so I don't forget to let you know as well, when you're signing up for the Discord, you will have to verify your phone number, by the way. Just letting you know that ahead of time, that's how you'll verify to get into their page, is verify your phone number. So just make sure you're able to do that on your Discord. It's pretty simple. You'll just set your phone number up, but that is how you'll get into their Discord. Then ownership benefits. Join an ever-growing ecosystem. Collect, farm, battle, and earn rewards. NFT holders will be eligible for our token during airdrop events. Whitelist past future subrace NFT releases. Stake and farm NFTs for daily passive income. Tons of exciting content updates in mainnet. And we can see some of their Inus right there above my head. We've got the Inunomics, so this just tells you the different rarity of the different Inus. I can't move that, but you can see it as that goes, so it just tells you a little bit of the different colors if you'd like to check that out. Play to earn, be rewarded with NFT fragments and tokens for minting buildings on cosmic lands, bonuses for farming. So, let's see here. Sorry about that, it paused me up a little bit there for a moment, but basically it's there is a play to earn game aspect to this project, and you saw you can get rewards, play and earn. That's very cool stuff right there. Says a little bit about the features, right? The earn and reward features. So our self-sustaining ecosystem will auto reward users via contribution with limited NFTs and tokens. Community driven and owned, so they will have their own community DAO for investors, which means that you will be able to have your voice heard. Lasting income utility, so they want to do staking, breeding, farming, everything to make sure that this is a utility that will last. You of course have full ownership of your NFT. Fair distribution, so a maximum cap for each address during Eno gives a fair chance for everyone, which is absolutely right. And immersive world, 2D NFT will be given on 3D imagery via our in-game engine. Cosmetics, weapons, and skills will be imagined via engine and seamless artwork. And see here, This is the roadmap for the project if you'd like to check this out in a little bit more detail, but you can see that they've got essentially the roadmap is set in phases that are very realistic to get done in that time frame, so you can go into more detail and check that out a little bit if you'd like. Of course, it'll make the video a little too long if I read that all. Here is the team right here. You can see their faces, which we can see a little bit more about them on the light paper featured on, and we can see the different places that they have been featured. Quite a lot of different websites, actually. I don't think I've seen many being featured on like Ethereum and OpenSea, so that's pretty cool. Then an FAQ, which is just a general FAQ telling you about NFT, how you can get whitelisted, all the basic questions most of you probably know. And if you don't, click over here and check it out for yourself. It's very easy to get over, inuland.com. And we will check out their light paper. So we can see it is their light paper, not the white paper, to be clear. So abstract, play, earn, trade, and own. Inuland's a play to earn collectible NFT. Multiplayer, there we go, multiple. A non-fungible token game focused around gathering, breeding, and trading fantasy cosmos creatures known as Inus. And so we can see a little bit more as well in this regard. Just telling you the vision that they have for this, their motivation. You know, the team believes that the mainstream adoption of the decentralized app is imminent. So they're just telling you basically why they jumped into this, and I think it's really cool. They essentially saw the writing on the wall that NFT is a great thing to get into, so is the gaming sphere, and so they jumped over to it. Now they use Ethereum because basically it's built in with flexibility in mind, agreed. I'm a big fan of Ethereum, honestly, so I think we can all understand why you'd use that. Framework of playability, telling you about their unique so right here up there, so it was designed and intended for maximum player interaction while breeding, trading, and battling your Inus in the cosmos. Our team will roll out weekly in-game competitions and have upcoming patches to update the ecosystem to a wider market, keeping the features socially adaptable to our Inuland community. And unique NFTs. So it just tells you about their unique color patterns, all the drawings, remarkable artwork, responsive, simple interface, secure trading environment, which is basically the Inu marketplace, social aspect, so you know it's a little bit like an MMO, probably not like technically, but you know, co-op, you can play with other people, so that's real cool, right? I like the idea of getting to play with others and interacting, you know, competing, but also working together, defeating, play to win, and then pay to play. Player expression, so you can kind of so it says Inus will be comfortable in their own habits. This is the environment that you are able to display and customize, so you can kind of have your own environment. Game resources, which are items, they are Inus and are tokenized NFT. Well, the Inus are tokenized NFT, right? They can be sold to anyone, anywhere on OpenSea Marketplace. Yeah, exactly. So right, items in game as well as the Inus, basically. Then let's see, native token holders of Inus are the government that receives, so basically talking about the DAO, you know, giving you a lot of things, what you can do with it, which is, what you can do with Inus, which is the actual token, right? And so, so the token you can essentially use for staking, governance, voting rights, which is, you know, just the DAO, treats and cosmetics for the Inus, minting weapons, upgrading and refining weapons, and purchasing and building on land. They've got a set of mini games, guaranteed pricing, blockchain advantages, so once NFT and Inu are deployed with the immutable ledger, any players that own item with Inuland will have full control over their ownership. Cosmos characters Inus, so shows you a little bit of artwork there going into that. Inuland origin system, all unique Genesis Inus are born into the Inuland cosmos, which is the only current discovered part of the Inuverse, and so just tells you a little bit about those as well. And of course I can't read through literally all of this, or it would take like half an hour, so we're just trying to skim through the most important parts of this, my friends. Character classes, so different classes characters, pretty cool, and different rarities as well, basically. Inu Celestial Breeding Pods, which is very cool, so they'll be introducing once all 10,001 have been minted. Okay, interesting. There will be a breeding system, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Gender, no females or males, moms or dads, no discrimination. Okay, cool, so you can kind of have two of whatever. So PvP battles, Stargate defense. Let's see. let's see here. So basically this tells you a lot about the game aspect of this, telling you about the rarity as well. We can see here the Inuland revenue flow as well, if you'd like to kind of see how they make money and you make money as well, by the way, because you of course get to make money in this transaction also, which is great, right? Giving players endless economic opportunities. So this tells you a little bit more about the ecosystem, the tokenomics, the farming. We can see the max supply right here, the total supply of rounds, Genesis NFT, pre-minting of pre-mining, of tokens. Let's see here, max supply, so we can see where the tokens are going right there. Everything seems up and up on where they are sending things. Let's see here. Founding member, private sale, promotion, and exchange is 12. Perfect. That's usually what I like to look for, by the way, is promotion, which is basically marketing. Tells you a little bit about what they're planning to do there in the future. This is our roadmap in a little more detail. And this is a little bit about the team, if you'd like to read their bios. So you can see the Zachary Lim founder experience as founder of Byte Optics since April 2021 till now. Very cool. Seems he's done a couple of different roles in a couple of different computer technology-based things. Martin Mann, founder, worked at BTC Shanghai 2017 through 18 as a product manager for perpetual swaps, migrating traditional CFDs MEC into the exchange platform. And the Chief Technology Officer co-founder, taking a role as CFO of Inuland PTE Ltd. August 2021. So that is where he's been in tech advisor of Ontology from March 2019 to May 2021. And just tells you a little bit about what they do, so you can of course check out the team if you'd like to. What's cool is that they have little bios about themselves, so you can read more about them if you have any interest. And they're not just faces, right? They're not just random faces on a website. So we do get to see who they are, but you can then go read about them as well, which is a really cool aspect. So Inuland is a very interesting project. It is ambitious. It's got a lot going on. Definitely check out their stuff. Get their Discord again. If just verify your phone on their Discord and you get onto their Discord as well. Check out their light paper. And yeah, this is a very promising project. I would keep my eyes on it for sure. Again, keep in mind this is only an opinion, not financial advice in any single way. Of course, if this is not the project for you, I understand. Make sure that you study a project before you want to invest in it. Make sure you feel very comfortable with your investment. Remember that, because a project like this has the potential to make you quite a good bit of money if you just put in a small investment at the front and hold on to it for a while. But at the same time, remember, never a promise in crypto, not financial advice, just me discussing projects I think are interesting. But my friends, thank you as always for coming by. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we discussed Inuland, and I will see you in the next video.